Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. One of the biggest mistakes advertisers make is targeting everyone. In Google Ads, audience targeting allows you to focus on users who are most likely to convert. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the audience targeting in Google Ads 2026 correctly. Now before you do that, you have to have a Google Ads account. And to do that, you're gonna go to business.google.com and make sure to link your Google account with your Google Ads account. Once you do that, you're gonna click on Start Now to start your business. Now, to start your business, you're gonna have to fill in the information such as business name and the business website. And you have the website is mandatory. So you have to enter a valid website in order to proceed with setting up your business. So make sure to enter a valid website. Then you're going to click on next. And once you finish setting up your business in Google Ads, you can start campaigns by choosing the type of campaigns. And then you can choose the type of ads you want to display. And then you can go with the procedure. Now, to use the audience targeting in Google Ads 2026, you're gonna have to open the audience interface or the audience settings. You're gonna select your campaign here, and then you're gonna click on the audience and keywords and contents like this. You're gonna click on audience, and then you're gonna go to the audiences and choose the audience type. You can target in-market audience, affinity audience, custom segments, remarketing audience, and demographics. Now, the targeting versus observation. Targeting ads only show to the audience, and observation ads show normally, but data is collected. For testing, start with observation, and then you're gonna save and optimize. You can apply bid adjustments if needed, and then in the end, you're gonna save the changes. Also, make sure to combine audiences with keywords, and also use the remarketing for highest ROI. And make sure also to analyze audience performance regularly. And that's how you use audience targeting in Google Ads 2026 to reach the right people and avoid wasting budgets. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.